We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Welcome back to our Hakka lesson of the day. Ngai He Joseph Ling.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Hong.
All right now we want to not only teach you Hakka, but also inform you of this very important thing, especially if you want to prove that you know your Hakka very well because you've been listening to us. Well, you see, the government, since last year, they have been hosting this Hakka proficiency test, and it's been very successful. And so the Hakka Affairs Council here in Taiwan decided to do another one this coming year, or this year actually, on March 12th. And this test is going to be available in the north and center and south, and even on the east side of Taiwan. Those are the 4 sections where you can take the test. And the application form is also very conveniently available for everyone to pick up at designated post offices. So this is going to be something that is really neat.
故說就是年度嘅客家語言能力認證嘅初級考試開始報名咯。Joseph，你要去報名？
那麼一開始就用這個客家話轟炸我啊！你馬上就要考我了，是不是？我在講說要考試，馬上要考我啊！好恐怖哦！
我係喺你去買那個報名嘅建中。
報名嘅建中，報名到建中嗎？
不是，報名簡章。
簡章。哇，聽得不颯颯哦！你是在鼓勵我趕快去報名？
錯啊，就是年度嘅那個客家語言啊，那個認證初級嘅哦，才初級而已，你做得啦。
哦，初級怎麼講？初級啊，那報名呢？
報名
okay, because this is just a preliminary beginner level test. So 初級 is beginner level. 初級 well, that's beginner level. And then to apply 報名 that's to apply.
唔過我記得去郵局買哦。
That's right. I mentioned about that. You have to go to the post office to pick up your application form. So why don't we teach how to say post office again?
郵局
郵局是不是that's post office. 好，所以大家記得哦，既然已經學了這麼多哈卡，學了這麼多客家話，大家一定要記得要去郵局買這個，等一下你不要跟我講，報名建中，是不是？
報名建中，錯，
對，
我記得一買哦。
我一直記得說我要去報名建中，我就會記得。北一女的話就沒辦法。Well, that's our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺是誰張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.